What's going on, YouTube? Derek here, back with another video. Man, did your charger start up this morning? Let's see what this Durango gonna do in the snow. Get this Durango right, man, out here. It's ugly out here too, but it's looking better today. Now you got to clean up. Let it heat up, man. That's gonna take all that off that hood. Get the windshield and everything right. Looking better today than it was yesterday. Supposed to get some more snow and everything again tomorrow. See how that's gonna work out. almost right over here now. Man, get all this stuff cleared off for the day, man. I can hit a couple blocks or something. See what's going on. I'm gonna put my camera down real quick so I can clean that off. Man, I'll be right back. Let's get this thing right for the day. Okay, guys, man, I got this Durango cleaned off. Cleaned off, man, looking right for the day. The whole neighborhood, man, snowed out for the day. But it's all good. Got this Durango right. See if I can get some shots of the neighborhood, man. This is unusual for Memphis weather, so you know everybody probably out off work and everything. So check this out. I got some more views for you. Okay, man, it's a wrap, man. I did a little drone flying and everything. I'm about to put this Durango on the streets, man, and see what it do out here in the snow. See how this thing gonna drive. Come on, look here. Get in here. We'll be right back. Flip my wipers down. A lot of snow out here too, man. Go get it. And wipe your feet off when you go in there.
No, because I had it.
You had it in the snow?
No, like, look at this.
Tripping, man. Woo! And it's cold out there today, man. About to see what this thing will do in a little bit of snow. Didn't get stuck coming out the driveway, so hey, that's better than them Challengers. I know your Charger stuck in the snow right about now. Okay, what's going on, guys? Man, I'm through messing around with the go-kart. I'm through messing around with the Durango. I'm about to get this thing out here in the snow, man, to see what it'll do. I got it hung up and everything. Let me see. Got my engine running.
Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Wait, we didn't say